Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, open your phone's hotspot settings, and enable a secure SSID with a password. This gives the computer a clear network to join. On the computer, enable Wi-Fi, scan, and select that SSID. Enter the password exactly. Make sure mobile data is turned on and you have sufficient quota, because the phone is the actual internet source. Once paired, check the computer's network icon to confirm a connection and readiness to begin browsing. Now you refine the connection. Pick 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for faster throughput depending on distance. That choice affects latency and reliability. If Wi-Fi drops, switch to USB tethering for a direct, stable link, plug the cable and enable tethering in your phone. On the computer, verify you received an IP and functioning DNS. If pages fail to load, renew the IP or set a public DNS to remove name resolution issues. These steps optimize real-world performance and stability. Finish by confirming the connection quality. Run a quick speed test and monitor data usage so you avoid surprises. Set alerts if needed. If you lose access, first toggle the phone hotspot off and on and restart the computer's network adapter. This clears most temporary faults. If problems persist, inspect carrier APN settings and any tethering restrictions, because some plans block or throttle tethering. One troubleshooting tip: try USB tethering to bypass wireless interference and carrier throttling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.